Today I'm going to show you how to change a key shell for a Lexus regular key. All you need is a paper clip. I'm going to open the paper clip up. Then if you see, there is a small hole here. And here you got a drawer. So we're going to take the paper clip and we're going to push it out. Then you can see the chip come out. Okay, and then if this piece is good, you can stick it with the piece inside, or if it's not good, you just can take the chip out and put it in the new one and just stick it inside here. All you need is just push it back inside and you're ready to go. Don't forget to get it to a locksmith store just to cut the blade for you guys, and you just can start the car right away. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.